List of top 5 richest politicians in the world. Number 5. Khalifa bin Zayed bin Sultan. He was the second president of United Arab Emirates and the ruler of Abu Dhabi. His net worth is $15 billion. Number 4. Hassan al-Bolkiah. He is the current Prime Minister of Brunei. His net worth is $30 billion. Number 3. Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed. He is the Deputy Prime Minister of UAE. His net worth is $30 billion. Number 2. Michael Bloomberg. He is an American businessman and politician and ex-mayor of New York. His net worth is $76 billion. Number 1. Vladimir Putin. He is current president of Russia. His net worth is $80 billion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget